Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today is day 18 of 30 days of resin and I thought I would make a keychain today. This is really simple to make, nothing too hard. I have this key and it's got two sides. So on this side I'm going to make one of these cabochons, and in the cabochon I'm going to put bits of mother of pearl, and there's a lot of pink in there, so I thought on the other side, you could put colored resin in there or whatever you want, but I thought I would put this really pretty rhinestone on the other side. Now it does stick up, but that's fine. So let's begin. This is the size of it, I believe. I hope. I should have measured. I did not measure it. So this one's way too big. All right. So then I need my lighter. My dog started barking and threw me off a little bit here. And then I'm just going to take just some bits and then just drop it in. I'm going to submerge it a little bit. Let's see this one. Oh, that's pretty. Gotta make sure the pretty side is showing. Now this one seems like it's a little too big. So let me see this one here. Turn that over. Take this out. And then I'm just going to break a piece off. And then just simply put it back in. And then the piece I broke off, I'm going to put that in also. And then I'm going to try to find some more smaller pieces that would work. I just want to make sure that I'm getting the right side that's facing down. Something small. This one is rather small. Put that in there. And that one I just cracked in half. I'm just trying to fill in the entire bottom with these little pieces. Okay. Now we got a little bit on the side, not a lot, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. And then wipe off this area here. All right, and then I'm going to cure this for 180 seconds and turn it over and cure it for 180 seconds. All right, now that it's done curing, we can remove it from the mold. And you can see how pretty it looks. You can see the mother of pearl. Now that it's done curing, we can place this into the key. And we're just going to put some resin here at the bottom. And I'm going to spread it around. You can use E6000 for this, and then just glue it in. That's fine. I'm just gonna drop it in there and then cure it for 180 seconds. All right, now that that's done curing, I think that looks really pretty. Now, I can put this on the back. Just have like a little rhinestone on the back, but I don't really think I want to do that. There's so many pretty colors in there. I was thinking of doing a little bit of mica powder to put in the back, just on that back piece. And so this I'm not using. I decided against it. I could also like break up pieces and put some more mother of pearl on the back. That's an option. This always happens when I make stuff. I start it and then I have a second thought about something. I have it all planned out and then I have a second thought and then I'm like, oh, well, I could have done this. Or okay, so now I don't think the mother of pearl, but I do think I'm going to do a little bit of a mica powder. And I'm just going to take this off for a second and look. I see a lot of pink. I see some blues and whites. So let me see what we can do here. I have some pink. I have some white and just I don't know if I want that blue. Let me just check here. Got a lighter blue, lighter blue. Okay, now you don't have to do this. This is just a bit much. This is too much extra. If you want to just do one color, do one color. I'm just gonna swirl in the 3 colors. So I'm just gonna mix up 3 of these colors really quick. And not a lot. Just a little bit. And then I'm just going to swirl them in there. And I know that sounds crazy, but I just want it to look nice. And I think with the rhinestone, if it was a little more flatter, I think it would work out a lot better. I didn't want something sticking up really high, and it definitely would have stuck up too high. And it would have been catching on things, especially if it's a keychain. And even if it's a pendant, it'd be catching on your sweater and everything. So I don't want that. Okay. So there are my colors. And this is very shallow. So obviously we're not going to be using a whole lot. But you got to mix it up really well. Got a little bit of white there. And we got pink, and then we got the blue. Okay, we'll start with the blue, but I got to mix it up a little bit more because there's little chunks in there. So I'm just going to take a little on here and dab it in. Just so it goes to the edge. Then I'm going to get a little pink in there. And then some of the white. Now it's raised up a little bit, it's domed, but it will not catch on anything, so you don't have anything to worry about. Want some more blue in there. I'm just gonna swirl it a little bit. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. Got a little bit much right here, so I gotta just push some back. And then we're gonna cure this for 180 seconds. Now that it's cured, we can remove it from the sticky tack. And it turned out really pretty. It did leak out a little bit on the side there, but it's really okay. And you don't have to worry about that catching on anything. So next we're going to put the keychain together. First I'm going to put the lobster claw clasp onto the key ring. I like putting these on because I like using these for like clipping on backpacks, purses. You know, you can put it on your zipper if you want. And then the jump ring's already open. It was open in the package like that. So now I'm just going to place the key on, and then the keychain itself. And because this is a sturdier jump ring, I'm going to use 2 pliers to close it. And make sure those 2 ends meet so you don't lose anything. And there you have your mother of pearl keychain. So this is the end of day 18 of 30 days of resin. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to all the supplies I used today. You will also find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.